Hi everyone, it's Amber from The Sensible Mama. Today I'm going to be showing you a really unique use for the large piece from the Limea brand Trifecta. This is brand new from Limea brand. We had our launch about a week ago and we already sold out of these sets in black, but we do have it remaining in this color, which is Ice Latte, and I'm Moody, which is a plum color, and of course in Boss Up, which will be here in just a few weeks. Today I want to show you how I'm packing this up for creativity needs. We just brought a new brand called Ooly to thesensiblemama.com, and we have got a whole bunch of just awesome stuff in here, and I can't wait to show you, so let's just hop right into it. I'm going to be showing you a lot of creativity utensils in here. One of the first things I want to show you though is a great thing to bring along with you is this cute little notebook. This is something that your kid can carry on their own. This could either stay inside of your bigger diaper bag if you're carrying a big diaper bag, or your little one can just carry this on their own with the grab handle. This is just a great way to bring paper along with you while you're on the go. This just opens right up and they've got tons of paper to write on. And that's gonna be important because almost everything that's in here in the Trifecta has to do with coloring and writing. The first thing that I want to show you though actually does not. This is a really, really cool new thing from Ooly. It's called the Play Again Reusable Sticker Fun Notebook. This is a little notebook that has all kinds of easy to peel off stickers attached here on the back. And there are also some more inside of the book, like right here. And all your little ones do is just peel them right off and they're ready to go. There are several different pages. This one is just a blank layout for them to put their stickers down on. This one is a fun little game. It's basically like a little race, and your kids just spin the wheel to tell them how many moves that they can take with their sticker. And the first person who makes it to the end is the winner. And then the last page has got a matching game where they're able to match their stickers to the outlines here. And finally, a tic-tac-toe game on the end. These stickers are removable and replaceable, so kids can just pull them right off of the backing like this, and then stick them on to the mat wherever they want it to go. They just pick them right back up, and they can put them back down in any other place, and they stay until the kids are ready to pull them up. Now, the only thing to keep in mind when you do this is that once your little ones have pulled these stickers out of the little sheet, you can't really put them back on there. You can use the original paper that it came on, but what I suggest doing is if you've purchased anything from Welly, you know that you get these nice little tins. Whenever you've used up one of these tins, if you just have one sitting around, you can just pull this little divider out, and now you have a cute spot to put all of the little stickers. So once you've got all those stickers back in there, you can just close this up and actually put this right back down into your Trifecta, just like that. So that is the Ooly sticker book, which is just such a great thing to have to keep kids busy on the go. Okay, the next thing that I have in here is the smallest piece from the Itsy Ritsy pouch set. These are travel pouches. It comes in a set of 3. And in here, I have got these adorable twistable crayons. These are twistable and scented. Each one has its own unique smell. This one smells like strawberries, and it's not overpowering. It's not a smell I feel that is gonna be like very, very overpowering to the senses, and they still color really nicely. Here we've got the red, purple, which smells like grape. They color really nicely, and what I like about these is since you can roll them back down, you don't have to feel too scared putting them inside of your diaper bag because that tip is nice and protected. So this is just a great little, they're nice and small, they're not too long, and they're able to fit inside of this little pouch, which I think is super cool. I'm gonna twist that back down before we put it in here. So if your kiddos are into playing with crayons, that's a great little set to have. Next, I have the mini Doodlers. Now these did just sell out last night, but we have a brand new shipment coming. It should be here later this week. I was obsessed with bringing these to the Sensible Mama because this is a pack of 20 gel pens. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably more excited to have these for me than I am for my kids, but they're the perfect size for little hands. Let me show you. See, they're mini. And they fit so nicely inside of small pouches like the Trifecta. They're just perfect for that. And despite their small size, These actually have really nice gel ink in them. So there's my name in that glitter gel. And what's nice about these too is it dries really quickly. No smudging at all, nothing on my finger, which is great for when you have little kids. I love the case that these come in. Of course, if you would rather put these inside of like a medium set piece or something like that, you can do that, but I just think the case makes it so nice and convenient. You can keep them all in one place and know that they're not gonna get lost. Okay, down in the bottom, you can see two of my favorite things. These are the Macaron vanilla scented erasers, and these are erasable colored pencils. Now, I showed these in my live in our Facebook group last night, and people were blown away that these are actually erasable. So let me show you really quickly. These work a little bit better than the eraser ends on these pencils. So I do say if you're gonna buy these, just go ahead and get the erasers too, because they're adorable and they work really nicely. So let's grab a pencil. I'm gonna grab purple because it's a nice bold color. So let's write Limea. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the little eraser on the end here and erase. As you can see, it erases pretty well, but I will say that the Macaron erasers do better. And there you go. So these are nice for maybe the older kids. These are aged for 3 and up. I feel like my son Roman handles these a little bit better than my daughter Abby does. Abby is 3 and Roman is about to turn 5. But for the kids who are looking to have a little bit more precision with their art, if they're a little bit older, these colored pencils are awesome. And to bring along with you the Macaron erasers, it's just cute. Next in here, I just have in these 2 little slip pockets on the side, 2 of my favorite things. Unfortunately, these have also sold out, but I wanted to show you guys, for those of you who purchased these right before they sold out, I want to show you how these pack up and how nicely they fit inside of that little pocket in the Trifecta. Look at that, so cute. These also fit in the packaging and everything inside of the Jujube coin purse, which is adorable. But these are little mini highlighters. They are also scented. Each one has a different fragrance to it. Look at how cute. Little teddy bears. So these are just fun for general art, or if you actually have a kid who's highlighting things, these are great to have. And what I like about these is even though this is a small mini highlighter, it's still a nice thick tip. See that? And they're nice and bright. I kind of worried that these highlighters would be really, really light because it's a small highlighter, but they are very vibrant, as is everything with Ooly. And I was saying in our live the other night that I just have been so impressed by this whole brand in general, that everything is super high quality. Look at that, super high quality. And we do have tons of other highlighters that are currently in stock or that will be soon. So if you're wanting full-sized highlighters, we will have those as well. But I wanted to show you that these do fit inside of the Trifecta slip pocket. And the last thing that I want to show you is, I just think this is so cool. I have 2 kids, so of course I have 2 of these in here. Can we just talk about the nostalgia for a moment? This is one of those pens that comes with different color ink inside of it. It has 6 total colors of ink. And the way that you access your ink colors is just to push down one of these beads here. So push it down, you get your ink color. When you want another color, you can either push down this little piece and it will pop that color down. Or if you've got one color down and you want to switch to a different color, you just push that color down and it replaces. So let's just take a look at the ink on this, because I think that the ink in these is really nice too. It's still a nice gel pen. The ink is really nice, dries really fast. And you have all kinds of fun colors to choose from. Aren't those fun? I took my kids to the zoo over the weekend and they each brought their little notepad as well as one of these pens. And when we had to wait in line to get into like the little gift shop and things like that, this just kept my kids completely busy. So here's what the inside of that trifecta looks like, totally empty. Of course, there are plenty more uses for this trifecta large piece, but I wanted to show you specifically for Ooly because A, I just wanted to show you all of this really cool stuff, but B, I wanted to show you how it can all fit inside of the Limea brand trifecta. So if you are looking for any of these items, they will be linked in the description box below. I do want to mention that some of these things may be sold out by now, but make sure you're checking back with us because we will be restocking everything that you see here, and it should be on its way later this week. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Love ya, mean it, always, mwah, and I'll see you in the next one.